How to insert a photo on another photo on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, S26 Plus. First, open the Gallery app, then select the picture. Tap on the pencil icon, then tap the emoji icon, and select stickers. You can add existing stickers like emojis and others. You can also insert an image as a sticker by tapping the gallery icon, selecting the image you want to add, then tapping next and pressing done. Adjust the sticker as needed. If you want to add the whole image to this picture, tap the sticker icon again, then tap the plus icon, select the image, tap reselect, then tap next, and done. Adjust the image and you're done. That's it for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.